and spreading the truth. Christianity requires that you assemble upon the first day of the week to partake of the Lord's Supper and to celebrate the death, burial, and resurrection of Christ. Christianity is a saving religion because Jesus said in Luke 19:1, "The Son of Man has come to seek and to save that which is lost." I'd encourage you this morning that the gospel is the death, the burial, and resurrection. Life is but a whisper. I'm 72 years young. I'm telling you right now, it seems like yesterday when I was 16 in that hot rod. Yo le digo, hey, qué lástima que quítale pajarito, complejo de pajarito, como le dijeron en la isla. Mira, yo sí tengo complejo, pero este tigre de Bengala. Y un tigre solo, en una selva de Bengala, en la India, hicieron toda la noche del interior y decía el de sí. He said, "You get in hell, someone." You hear me, sir? No, let me say you do. You get out and take it out. And my Satan, and thou savest not the things of these God. Just like Jacob.